Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove unwanted objects from your picture. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and try to search for this website, cleanup.pictures. And after this website appear on your browser, you have to open this website. And we're going to use this website to remove unwanted objects from our picture. We can tap here to load our picture. I'm going to tap on that and choose the picture that you want to remove unwanted object from. I'm going to choose this picture, and for instance, I'm going to remove this emoji from my picture. Then we can click on continue, and then I'm going to customize the brush size. Okay, and draw on the object you want to remove from your photo. And after that, you're going to click on clean. Okay, and then just wait for a moment, guys. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the unwanted object has been removed from my picture, and if you want to download the picture, we can click on this download button and the picture will be saved to our device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to easily remove unwanted objects from our picture. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.